Hi, this is Guld with Geeks on Tour, and this tutorial is about using Snapseed on an Android device. So this is my Samsung Note 9, and Snapseed is a separate app, a free app that you need to download. So you would go to your Play Store and you would search for Snapseed. And I already do have it installed. If you don't, you would just tap install. It's free. So once Snapseed is on there, then you open it. I have it in my Google group, Snapseed. You can use it as a standalone app. I prefer to use it with Google Photos, but as a standalone app, you would open it, and then you would tap plus in order to get a photo from your phone. So here's a photo that I just took, and I can use the tools. I really like this tool called HDRscape. It gives it a lot more color and depth, and if you like it, you tap the check mark. Then when you're done, you would tap export and save. There are other reasons to use the others, but save is your basic one. Now, one setting that I want you to check before you go on is under the three-dot menu and settings. You want to make sure that it is not resizing your images. You don't want to lose any of the quality, any of the pixels of your photos. So make sure that that setting is on Do Not Resize, and that this setting is on JPEG 100% quality. Now I want to show you how you can start with a picture from Google Photos and take it to Snapseed and back. I call it a round trip. So here is my Google Photos on my phone, and I'm going to go back a couple weeks to this picture of a country road. I kind of like that, and I want to edit it in Snapseed. So I am in Google Photos. I tap the edit button, then this 9-dot grid over here for other apps, and if Snapseed is installed, it will show up here as well as some others. Snapseed. So now I'm in Snapseed, and I have all the Snapseed tools, for example the HDRscape, and that looks a lot more dramatic. I say I like it. I tap the check mark, and then all you do to get back to Google Photos is tap Done. So I've started in Google Photos, and it goes to the Snapseed folder, but it also goes to your Google Photos. So I'm going to come out here, and there was my original road photo, and there is the one edited in Snapseed. Now, it came in at the same date because this photo is still on my phone. Be aware, if you're using a photo from years past and you edit it, that has brought a copy down to your phone, and the edited version will end up with the today's date, the edited date on it. If your edited photo from Snapseed does not end up showing up in your Google Photos library, either at the original date or the edit date, then check your three-line menu and device folders. You will see a folder for Snapseed, and maybe yours has not been turned on for backup and sync. If it's turned on, then your Snapseed photos will come into your Google Photos library. So once again, to edit from Google Photos to Snapseed, you open the photo, tap Edit, tap the 9-dot grid, and Snapseed. Do whatever you want in Snapseed, check mark, and done.